So Manchester City coach Pep Guardiola, in typical Pep style, is defending his club and its owners to the T, flooding the space with conspiracy theories, claiming that other big Premier League clubs are hating and being jealous of Manchester City's success, and that even the Premier League is out to get Man City because of their dominance. Typical serial criminal paranoia. Pep even referred to the previous UEFA investigations into Man City's financial affairs, and that City was proven innocent of all previous allegations, which is not true. They got off those charges and missed suspensions and fines, etc. on legal technicalities. No innocence was proven. But of course, this is all part of the old victim card being so expertly played by Pep. So all these 100 and odd accusations and charges are cooked up and designed to steal Manchester City's glory. And all of us out here are motivated by a collective bad mind, and Man City are the targeted and innocent victims. And you know what I say? Me believe Pep. Yes, me feel sorry. Me feel sorry, Pep. No, don't tell me Pep. Poor Man City and poor Pep. No, me feel sorry, Pep. I'm sorry, poor Man City and poor Pep.